everyone, I'm Dulcinea J. Rocco from Hilton Food. This is Project and EDE. This is what I do every morning before I go to online class. When I wake up, he makes my bed before I get up. Drinking coffee while looking at the beautiful view. After I have coffee, I will take a shower because I have an online class. After I finish taking a bath, I will be ready to look presentable in the online class. And at 7 o'clock, our online class started. Here we are inside the campus. My friend and I are eating together and we are wandering around together. And here I am while presenting in the finals in the other subject. And attending other seminars. After 2 years, I finally graduated. Finally. After I graduated, I immediately found a job in Manila. Makalipas ng ilang taon, financially stable na ako. May sariling bahay, may sasakyan, at may sarili na akong negosyo.